What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my page. It's Magic, and I'm here with my girl,
Rissy.
And today we are eating some soul food. You already know. Yeah, we got some good old ginger ale today. The ginger ale, we got Canada Dry. We didn't get Seagram's. Let's try it out. What we have? We got sweet potatoes.
We got green corn, black eyed peas, collard greens, regular mashed potatoes, and cornbread. Because we don't eat meat.
No meat on our plate. And it smacked too. Y'all like greens? Cause me, I like greens. It looks like mushed up baby food, but it don't taste like it. Your mouth's just satisfied. It's like bread. Shout out to Rissy for being the best cook in the world. Buttered cornbread.
Oh, Jesus. It's just strong.
It's strong?
Tell. Okay.
You got the right texture today? Ah. It's like you just devour everything on your plate because this is all so good. I haven't even touched the mashed potatoes yet. Oh my God. What is in there? TNT? Oh.
That shit is hella strong. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The girl slowed down because as I was cooking, I was eating candy.
She's candy for dinner. Eating jelly beans while she's cooking dinner. Here comes the intruder.
If y'all want a cooking tip, you're a vegetarian or vegan, and you kind of miss the taste of meat, liquid smoke.
Yes.
Yeah. I put a little liquid smoke in the greens, and I put a little in the black eyed peas. I would have put turkey next to my collard greens. And I would have put ham hock in with the black eyed peas. But I don't suggest you do that, because I don't suggest you eat meat.
Oh, gotta do the dance. Gotta do the dance. Might have to do the dance, you know?
Put your wet hair.
I wouldn't look this way if I was you.
What the fuck?
I'm not gonna lie, y'all want some more cornbread, so give me 1 second. I'm not gonna lie, y'all don't know why I got another piece of cornbread knowing damn well I'm full.
That food was bomb. Look.
Oh.
A lot of potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of beans and greens. Y'all don't understand. That was a lot of protein that we just ate. You know why? Because there's protein stuff other than meat. Yeah, that was Nope. Pepper jack drink.
Oh my god, what is going on?
What are you doing?
It's called the dance. You're gonna keep looking this way, you're gonna get a whiff.
Ah! You make the roof of my mouth hurt. Look at it. Look, the food, baby. Oh, rubber tummy. Why is this Canada Dry so fucking strong, bro? They said it's ginger ale. This is more like ginger beer. And I know y'all know there's a difference between ginger beer and ginger ale. Ginger ale tends to be a lot more sweeter, a lot more soft, whereas ginger beer tends to be a lot more stronger and ginger flavor and way more intense. And it burns like a bitch. I hate ginger beer. Die!
I'm full. I really can't eat anymore.
Proud of my girlfriend for making the cornbread. She did a wonderful job. Wonderful job. Round of applause for Magic.
Alright, follow the instructions. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we do what? Post the video! Yay!
We'll see y'all later.
Toodle!